140.
Oh, yeah.
Ba, forward pa. Bilis. Tapos, 2 minutes lang. What if magkaroon ka ng isang remote ka-social na kayang kontrolin yung lahat ng nasa paligid mo? So, the same function, may fast forward, play, stop, ganun. So, may mga menu, same. But it happened na ibang klase yung remote yung nakuha niya. Okay, so dito na, susubukan na niya kung uubra. Boom! Yun, nagana. So, eto ngayon nangyari yung kauna-unahang function na hindi niya sinasadya. Pero na-post niya yung asawa niya.
A boss, a millionaire, a big shot. Don't give me that look. Alright, I love you. Go to sleep.
So, eto naman yung pangalawang pagkakataon na nagamit niya yung remote. At by this time, alam na niya na may something dun sa remote.
Okay? You just hold it in for 5 minutes and keep the freaking volume down!
Ooh. Pwede to pag sa mabungangang kasama sa bahay. Volume down mo lang. Okay.
Snippy long drop, today!
Pinas forward yung aso eh. Oo, tapos na. Oo. Gulat siya eh. Play. Tapos.
I had a rabbit named Peppa, and the rabbit abandoned me. You abandoned the rabbit, and even the rabbit.
Minute eh. Ayos, wala na naririnig. Oh, may picture in picture pa oh. Nanood na lang eh. Oh, ito na yung mayabang na anak ng kapitbahay niya.
Hey, Dad, see Kevin's new robot
Daming peka sa
dog?
mukha.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice? This thing is worth more than your car.
Oh.
Not anymore, it ain't.
Dog!
Playing some catch?
Kalaro na naman yung busit na kapitbahay.
Because Ben hasn't caught one yet. Darn it!
Ah.
Kinantsawan yung anak eh. Ups. Pinos eh.
You're making a Derek G to yourself, O'Doyle.
Naburo yung nasa bahay. Pinas forward.
Cool. I can skip chapter.
Chapter by chapter, pwedeng i-forward. Makain sila.
Yeah, alone in the
Ayan,
space night.
forwarded na ulit. Pati yung oras sa asawa, pinorward. Ayaw magmasahe.
Massaging away here.
140.
Oh, yeah.
Ba, forward pa. Bilis. Tapos, 2 minutes lang.
We did it?
Well, you did.
Ikaw lang natapos eh.
What? I gotta take a shower.
Well, you're gonna freeze your mama bug.
It's all good.
Pati paliligo. Forward.
Yes!
Bihis na.
Traffic!
Traffic.
Everyone's watching to see what you do.
Ba? Minute na lang eh. Oh, wala na naririnig.
You're on it now. Yeah. Yeah. Traffic, traffic. No more traffic.
Forwarded na ulit, pati traffic. Oops. Post, slow mo saglit. Tapos, ang traffic. Pati kulay ng, skin.
Don't get the hog angry. You won't like him when he's angry.
Pwede rin to pag sa mga nakakalimot ng mga anniversary, mga team song, ganun.
I know our song. Our song? Of course I know our song. Our song is... What the hell was that song?
O, binalikan lang yung
I remember
nakaraan.
this place.
First date nila.
And, oh my God.
So, yung,
Okay.
linger yung kanta.
See the deal, pal. Linger. Right?
You know.
Cranberries was playing during our first juicy kiss. I thought I was already your partner.
Patay.
Whoa, cowboy. I said land the Watsuhita account.
Hindi
You'll
pala
get
siya
promoted.
yung piniling partner niya.
Second. But I already told my wife, sir.
And you better get started.
Pak! Pak! Pak!
Wow, I just got a big
Lakas.
headache.
Wow. You by a train or something?
I didn't see anything.
Di pa nakontento. Panoorin nyo na lang to mga ka-social. Maganda rin to.
No. You got more.
Pag pintot, ang baho na.
Hey, wait, the sooner you get back to
Parang nakakain
the
ng
sooner
ta.
you be partnerized. I taste shit.
You do?